Kisnar nong lute ATM ki bom syam lala ban itu dur khmat ki lalet ban prasyang ban prong tu ya kawe ka ATM jangka Punjab National Bank Nongpoh branch Henry Donbok bakane ka jing prasyang jong kiti kisnar nong lute kala pulom no bat klem yo ora satya ya kapisa nagane ka ATM haden ka jing lakloi jong ki bor nong pej perman jangka bang ban persawano daka siren haborok kawe ka jaka barong kate ka ATM kene ka jingja lek prong tu jong kiti kirunar ya ka ATM kala jah ka porlai baje EA henne ka stem kat kum ka jinglap da ka jingyo ring dur lengba ka CCTV jong kane ka bang lai i ba kawe ka kali ka bom syam layu i bah ya number kala lek banyang hakmat jong kane ka bang hanongpo bat kum basan ngut kibreu ki balaka dur bah ki larung sepo kane ka ATM kat kum ka jingi thu da ka branch manager kala ong ba kite kirunar ki balaka dur bah ki larung sepo ka ATM badru banka da ka plastik yong ya ka CCTV kamera ka badon hapo kane ka ATM badru ban ot ya wire jong kane ka ATM da ka jing thu ban rong tu ya ka pisa ka badon hapo kane ka ATM dan bokpat baka jinglak kloi jong ki borong peniat jong kane ka bang ki balai i ya ka den ka jing thu jong ki runar ki lapan sawano ya ka siren ka bajam hakane ka jaka ka bala pelong ru ya kite ki runar ban phat kratno nakane ka jaka nakliang ki bor jong ka Punjab National Bank ki la ujor da ka ijahar halo kane ka jingja baka jing tokit kerang ya chakman.
At morning 3:40 I got a phone from our Mumbai office. E-surveillance is placed in our ATM side, and at every time they used to investigate whether something is happening in ATM side or not, no? And they got that message that something was happening in our ATM side, and they give me and my second man, and to both us, they ring up and they inform us that someone has come and trying to destroy our ATM. Then at that time they also blow their siren from their Mumbai office, and because of that I think that they have fled from here. And after that my second man, who is to stay here nearby here, he went to the police station, and at that time maybe police I don't know. At that time they didn't come, but after some time they came and investigated, and at the time there was no one, no? And my second man also came here along with some people. They didn't say anything.
Okay.
And they said that shutter was half open,
Okay.
and two locks were there. They were broken. They broke down.
Okay.
But just try to, after seeing this CCTV footage, no, morning after coming to office, then we saw that diggers came and cut the wire, ATM wire, disconnected, and then there was 3 CCTV cameras. Out of that, 2 they covered with black polythene.
Okay.
And then because of that, no, that our head office could not monitor what they were doing. But we have one other CCTV camera located in the front side, that parking area. Then when we saw there, then we saw that by one white car, 5 miscreants came, and one by one they dropped, and they stayed inside that ATM for about 5 minutes. After then they, I think because of the siren, no, they ran away.
This incident, what time it happened?
At morning 3 they came at 3 to 3. At the time they came by car.
Okay.
And they entered the ATM at 3:09.
Through your CCTV footage, can you, anyone like from the police preliminary investigation, have they like recognized these people?
No, at this moment too, no, they have not recognized anyone, because no, they have covered their faces. So it is not only eyes were seen. So it is not.
You said this is a white car.
White car, but car number is also not
Visible.
clear from the CCTV footage. Let us check, because we will again provide the footage to the police authorities. They may draw some.
Had like from the bank authority, had they file any FIR?
Yes, we have filed an FIR, and it is registered with the police authorities, and they have said that they will do something.